Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to reset your iPhone if erase all content and settings not working. Fix 1. Turn off screen time first. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode. Then choose Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your screen time passcode. Now the screen time restriction is turned off. Fix to disable Find My iPhone and iCloud. Tap Settings and enter your Apple account. Tap Find My, then choose Find My iPhone and toggle it off. It will ask you for the Apple password. Just enter it. Fix 3. Reset network settings on iPhone. Tap Settings, then choose General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Alternative ways to reset iPhone. Way 1. Reset iPhone via iTunes Finder. First, put your iPhone into recovery mode and connect it to your computer. Then open iTunes. On the pop-up prompt, click the Restore button. OK, hit the Restore and Update option. Just wait for the software download. Minutes later, your iPhone is reset to factory settings. Way to erase iPhone with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the reliable iOS system recovery software that can help fix the system-related issues in clicks. You can download and install it from iSunshare official website. Open the software, then select System Repair option. Click the Advanced mode to proceed. Hit the Start button. OK. Connect your iPhone to the computer and click the Next button on the software interface. Your iPhone details are shown here. Click the Download button to download the firmware package. Finally, click the Repair button to fix your iPhone issue. Soon, the repair process ends and your iPhone reboots. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.